How's it going, everyone? I want to talk about a really solid company that has dividends and is presenting a beautiful setup according to my analysis and what I love to look for as an A plus setup. All right, so the company I want to talk about is ZIM. It's ZIM Integrated Shipping Services, and if you look at the daily chart here, you can see they have been paying dividends consistently of 3.65. This was 93 and 23, but you can see they've been paying it out all throughout here. I'm not really looking into the dividend aspect, but I am saying like due to the chart, I can think we can have at least a nice upsize bounce coming up. So the first thing first I want to show you guys is we haven't touched this EMA 5 in quite some time. This purple band is your EMA 5. We haven't touched it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 daily candles, that's extremely long. So we know short term we can get a bounce up to that EMA 5, which is around that 10% mark, short term. And if you look at the weekly chart, what do we have aligned with that? Look at this beautiful setup here. We have price getting close to this upper band, so we know on a weekly chart, we have got really, we're touching this bullish momentum here. If it hits this Keltner channel at my settings, it's very bullish. So then when price skips these EMAs and then comes down to this 10, this is a very bullish signal. As you can see, we wait 41%. It's okay if price comes tumbling back down. We will take our gains. I'm always looking for 10%. Now, when we play this 10, we don't play it again until the next skipping the EMA, which is the 50. So I played the 10 here. This is way back. So I wouldn't play it again to wait till the candle here. So we skipped the 20. We hit the 20 many times. We kept bouncing. So when you see that a lot, you can expect like, hey, price is going to eventually pull back to the next level because we bounced so many times. And then this is what we get right here. We had this EMA 50 bounce, all right? Yes, we went a little under. That's totally fine. It's not going to be exact science. It's not going to be perfect. You can see right in here, we can go a little under the 20, go up, hit the 20, go up, go slightly under the 20 and go up, and then go a little under the 10 and go up. And my favorite EMAs are the 10 and 50. Those are the EMAs I'm going to look at. I'm not sure if price is going to come back to my average. I can show you guys in the YouTube what I did get at. I learned this one kind of really fast on notice because I saw this coming in, and that's the benefits of being in the Discord. I said for a bigger cap stock, I'm watching ZIM on the weekly EMA 50. We skipped the EMA 20 into higher value EMA, which is what I love the most. I did a buy range here. This was yesterday at 1028, but since pre-market we opened a little below it, I got in at 15.99, which is totally fine. Like I said, price can get a little below the EMA. That's totally fine. So this is a very good risk versus reward. Am I going to be absolutely correct? I'm not saying this is going to have to absolutely work in my favor. There is a very big probability it is because one, we know price is going to hit the EMA 5 very soon. When you don't see price hitting the EMA 5 in 5 daily candles, you start to see that come up. And I'll give you my 10% right off the bat. Two, we have a big, strong area of support, which is the EMA 50. And you can clearly see right in here. What do we have here at this low of this candle? Big strong support coming in here where we took that big bounce. Your next big strong support will be right in here at 13.38. I don't think it goes there. I think around the $15 area, 15.28 is probably the max pain we'll see. We started bouncing right before that even helped, even got close to it. So we went to a high of 1664. I got in at 15.98, and you can see kind of already that I'm up 4% at the highs. I'm going to swing trade this because I just got in, so I can see that, hey, I want to try to get bigger gains as we've seen that, on the weekly chart, this has presented that. The EMA 10 gave us 40% gains. This EMA 20 right in here gave us well over 20% and then went back down. And then some of these are massive bounces. We don't know how big the percentages is going to be. That don't matter. That's why we have realistic targets. I'm going to take my 10%, scale some out, and hold some at break even. So ideally, my 10% is in the $17 range. I scale out 90% of my shares, and then I hold the rest of my shares at break even. That way, if we do this kind of thing, like if this really is where the algos want to pump it, and this thing goes all the way up and makes new highs, I want to make sure I take advantage of that, okay? I don't want to be left empty-handed. I took the risk. I found really good support, really good buy area. I want to make sure, like, if this thing makes new highs, or, it gets near the highs, I want to make sure I have shares that can get 60% gains. All right, so that could take some time. These are weekly charts. That could take a month. But the first objective is take that 10%, get that locked in, so then you're playing with the house money, okay? And there's no emotions. So that's my first objective. I don't see this hitting the second support. I see right here strong support, EMA 50. I see a lot of good things about it, okay? This is looking really good. If this truly is the bounce effect, the new low, I think we're going to be good here. You know, you could try to kind of draw, okay, well, if this is the area of support, right? You go to here at the lowest of right here at this daily, and you can see kind of in this area. We don't know the exact, but if this is that lower wick that I'm starting to see where it's bullish, this could be the lower trend line, and then we keep going forward, all right? So I'm getting a lot of bullish signals that say, all right, this is looking good. Long term, I see very good about it, right? We needed a correction down and hit this lower trend, and that's really what we're getting. So I like it. We'll see. I could be wrong. I'm not going to ever act like I'm the best trader, but this is a good probability trade. So I just want to get it out. I'm not a financial advisor. I just say what I'm taking. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, hit the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and in the description it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, please read how to subscribe. Please avoid scammers. I'll never message you, DM you, or trade your accounts. If you want to become a member and access everything, all you have to do is hit day trade alerts under the subscriptions tab, and you'll see everything be unlocked, okay? Because if you subscribe for this, you get access to my swing trades and day trade alerts for only $12 a month. Literally, you could just take a dip in the water, see if you like it. I promise you, you're going to learn a lot. You can read all the testimonies here of how a lot of people have made lots of money doing this exact system that actually works. Real people, real analysis, people making money, okay? So that's the thing here is this Discord is here to teach you how to trade. It's not supposed to be a signals Discord where you just buy here, get out. You're not learning anything there. You're not going to have any reason why what's happening. And if you don't know the reason why you're in a trade, you already lost. So what I just discussed with you is why I'm taking ZIM. That's exactly why I'm taking it. All this analysis I put in. I like the daily. I like the weekly. I like the trend line. This is that strong support at the EMA 50. And I give you exactly my plan now. My plan is to take the 10%. And what's my stop loss? Well, my stop loss for bigger cap stocks is always about 10% down. So 10% would be around here at 1437. If it goes to 1437, then yes, I do not like it because I don't want to wait all the way to this big support here as that's just too big of a loss. All right, so that's just how I look at bigger cap stocks, 10% loss. Smaller caps, you can be a little more fluctuant with your percentages. So I hope you guys do decide to join. If you hit day trade alerts, you'll get access to everything. You can read about the server shop here. There, I do offer 2 memberships. Day and Swing Trading Plus is put your name in gold, and you have everything there. Future education, things that I learned. Like I said, I do try to change things here with the market environment. So if you're in that, I'll put it in the education videos. And then I do live streams, group coaching, and one-on-one coaching. All right, guys. Hope to see you in the Discord. I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy trading, and let's have a good weekend. There is going to be a long weekend. Monday's off, so we're probably going to do some group coaching this weekend. So hope to see you guys there. Peace out.